Hey everyone, it's Dan from GoSkills, and today I want to show you how easy it is to create a course with Genie, our AI-powered course creator. With just a few simple prompts, Genie can help you build an entire course from scratch. So, let's check it out in action. We'll start by switching to Creator mode here in the upper left-hand corner. Genie lives in the GoSkills Course Builder, so first we'll need to create a course. Let's click that button. Inside the GoSkills Course Builder, we have multiple options you could choose from. Today, we'll create a multi-lesson course. And the Genie chat will appear on the right-hand side, ready to help you with whatever you need to get started. So, let's ask Genie to create an onboarding course that teaches employees how to use AI safely at work. And as you can see, Genie will give it some thought and begin outlining the steps it takes to build the course, starting with the course overview. After assembling the pieces it needs, Genie will refresh our course overview page with a new title, overview, and a cover image at the top. And if you'd like to make any changes or additions, you can do so using the Content Blocks editor. Now let's head into the Lessons tab on the left-hand side. Our new course needs a syllabus, but actually, Genie already knows this and is asking if we'd like to proceed with that as our next step. Well, yes, Genie, please generate the course syllabus. Genie will begin its work and add sections, individual lessons, lesson titles, and descriptions, giving you all the placeholders you need to add course content. And there you go. The syllabus is automatically added to the course builder, ready for you to review and edit as needed. But now let's go deeper because we need to generate content for our new lessons. But let's imagine I already have some information on cybersecurity policies that we use at our company. I'd like to use that info in the first two sections of this course, but it's all in a PDF. Well, that's actually perfect. We can upload this PDF in the next prompt and ask Genie to use that file as the content source for the first two lesson groups. When we do that, you can see Genie is reading the PDF, and now they're generating the text, finding relevant images, they're even adding quiz questions along the way. By the time Genie is done, we've got lesson content for the first 4 lessons. Let's open one of these lessons and take a quick look. And there you go. Genie has created a bite-sized lesson, perfectly sized, to cover this topic. Now, of course, you can continue building on top of this by using different content blocks to add images, videos, and other media. And Genie's also generated a 4-question knowledge check to help reinforce what learners have just covered. But let's imagine you want to make a change to the quiz. Maybe you'd prefer 3 questions instead. Well, that's easy. Just ask Genie. And when you ask for 3 questions, Genie delivers. It updates the quiz, and you're ready to continue. Now, as a last step, let's create a final test for this course. And again, we'll ask Genie to generate a 10-question final test. Again, Genie is going to give it some thought. Start generating some questions. Let's head over to the Test tab on the left-hand side. And there we go. In just a few moments, Genie has created a final assessment that you can preview and edit as needed. And don't forget, you can also add a feedback form at the end of your course to gather learner feedback and continue improving your training. Just head to the Feedback Form tab on the left-hand side, and you can customize it however you'd like. So that's it. Create your free GoSkills account and start building courses with Genie today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.